For years, Java and .NET have been the two biggest competing software platforms in the market. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, but both of them claim to be used in over 85% of large-scale enterprises. What that means is you, or your customers, have to work with both, and separation of the two platforms just doesn't make sense anymore. What if there was a way to make these platforms communicate? What if they could share and process large streams of data, but not just data, complex objects and logic too? What if they could do that on the ground and in the cloud? Well, now they can with JNBridge. JNBridge provides fast and rich communications between Java and .NET. At the end of the day, developers need to leverage both platforms. They need a solution that will enable deep integration between Java and .NET. You may be thinking, isn't that what web services are for? While web services work well, they are only a high-level communications portal that require applications to be written as services enabled. The problem at hand is what web services can't do. It can't provide fast and deep access to the other platform. For example, developers need the ability to create and manipulate remote objects, the ability to access an entire object-oriented API cross-platform, and the ability for detailed communications such as callback notifications and exception handling. We need a solution that can handle all that and more without requiring you to rewrite existing code. And what about cross-platform compatibility in the cloud? Thanks to cost savings and increased scalability, the cloud is the future. However, you can't just throw all your existing applications up into the cloud and expect them to work. They need to be cloudified or enabled to work within the architecture of the cloud. Getting them to communicate between clouds, across cloud platforms, or to different platforms on the ground can be even more daunting. Enter JNBridge. We do it all. We're the one-stop solution for cross-platform communications between applications that reside on the ground or in the cloud. Here are two of the many possible scenarios where JNBridge has helped bridge the gap. A major cable television network needed to manage content on their broadcast video servers from a sophisticated Java-based front end. The only robust access point into these video servers was a C#.NET-based interface provided by the manufacturer. Using JNBridge, the cable company avoided the difficult task of creating and supporting their own communications protocol. At a pharmaceutical company, researchers used an electronic notebook software product on their Windows laptops to record and document their scientific observations. These notes must be signed and dated in a secure manner, guaranteed to meet regulatory requirements. The company wanted to use the same robust Java-based digital signature technology used elsewhere within the company. With JNBridge, developers were able to quickly and easily integrate the Java-based technology into the electronic notebook software. The possibilities are endless. Make the impossible possible with JNBridge. To experience it yourself, download a free trial at jnbridge.com/trial.